Hello my friends, I'm happy to invite you to join the All Tutorials Club 2021. You can join in at 10roseaday.com/club. As the club member, you will get access to the PDF versions of all tutorials published in 2021, the ads-free versions of all video tutorials, and the 25% discount on all patterns, courses, books, and collections of tutorials that are already published at 10roseaday.com and the ones that are going to be published in the year of 2021. When you sign up, you will get instructions on how to access the club dashboard. And once you get there, you will see that there are 4 main sections in the dashboard. The first section is a welcome message that explains what the club is all about and what to expect. The second section has the discount coupon for the 25% discount that is valid for the whole year of 2021, and it expires only on January 1st of 2022. The other 2 sections host the tutorials and the video tutorials, and that's the place where I'm going to be adding a new tutorial every week. So as time goes by, you will see more and more tutorials listed in those 2 sections. And by the end of the year, you will have a whole library of tutorials that you can visit anytime you need help with your knitting or anytime you would like to learn a new knitting technique. The tutorials will range from the simplest knitting tips to more sophisticated color techniques. And this year I also plan to share with you the basics of the Russian knitting style. It's an amazing knitting style that is not just easy and fast, but it is also gentle on our hands and wrists. So if you are a knitter who looks to improve her knitting skills, then go to 10roseaday.com/club and join in.